Hi students, how are you? Now, this is the class of grade 3. Before, that means we read in previous classes about the organ systems. Today we will explain it. Okay? Now at first we have to explain a skeletal system. What do you mean by skeletal system? A skeletal system means our body has 206 bones and all bones make together skeletal system. Now dear friends, what is the function of a skeletal system and how it is made up of, we can explain it. At first, this is skull. You know very well, this is skull. Skull is the hardly bone, it protects our brain. After that, this is rib cage. Rib means puzzly. That rib cage protects our hearts and lungs. Rib cage protects our lungs and hearts. After that, it is hip girdle. It is hip girdle, and there are two bones. These are thigh bones, and another name of these bones are femur. Just friends. After that, we shall. This is shoulder. These are shoulders, and this bone is called the hand bone or humerus. After that, these are our fingers. One thing you have to notice in this figure, there are many joints found between the bones. Why it is so? Because if there is no joints in our bone, we cannot move our body. So there are many joints. Joints are what? If I will ask what is joint, you can say that the place where two or more bones meet together, that is called joints. It helps to move our body. Now dear friends, after that we shall read about the muscular system. In previous classes we already know the organ systems, and after the skeletal system we shall read the muscular system made up of all the muscles. There are about 650 muscles are in our body. These muscles are three types. These are the voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles are found in our hands, legs, and chest also. And involuntary muscles that are not in our control. These muscles are found under our stomach, like stomach, intestines, liver, etc. And the cardiac muscles. Some muscles also move their own. These are cardiac muscles. These, like our heart. Heart has a cardiac muscles. After that, we shall read about the functions of muscles. Muscles help us to move our body from one place to another, because without muscles our bones cannot support to move one place to another. So dear friends, muscles, all the muscles make together muscular system, and the function of muscles is to help us to move, and it also help us to our functions of another parts of our body. After that, dear friends, we shall read the digestive system. After that, we shall read the digestive system, dear friends. So, after the muscular systems, it is our digestive system. What do you mean by digestion? The process of the food broken into simpler form, that is called digestive system. Digestive system help us to digest our food and give us nutrients. Yes friends, there are many parts in our digestive system. At first, digestive system begins with our mouth. Digestive system begins with our mouth. That means digestion starts in our mouth. At first, you know very well, tooth help to chew the food properly. Dear friends, we know very well tooth help us to chew our food. After that, the chewed food mixed with a liquidy substance in our mouth, that is called saliva. These are phrenic. These help to mix the salivary juices into our chewed food. After that, it goes to our stomach. It goes to our stomach through esophagus. What do you mean by esophagus? The another name of esophagus is food pipe. The another name of food pipe is esophagus. Esophagus is help to move our food from mouth to stomach. When our food reaches to stomach, some digestive juice mixed with stomach. This is our stomach, and it helps to chew the food properly. That means it is like a sack. Stomach is like a sack. It chews the food, and in stomach, some digestive juice like bile and another some juices mixed with liver. It is comes from liver that are mixed in our stomach. And some juices also comes from the pancreas. Some juices also comes from the pancreas to mix with food. After that, this properly chewed food make like a sap. Do you know sap? Sap means the semi-liquid food. It makes in stomach. After that, it goes to our small intestine. After that, it goes to our small intestine, and in small intestine, food had been digested, and the digested food extra, and that means the energy, that means the nutrients absorbed by the walls of the intestine and goes to the blood, and the rest of the things, that means the wastage of the food, the remains of digested food goes to the large intestine. In the large intestine, rest of the foods digest properly, and the liquid solid wastage go to the anus, and the liquid are separate and goes to the wastage liquid are goes to our kidney. In the circulatory system, you know very well, the liquidy substance that goes pass out by the urine and sweat in our excretory system. So dear students, it is our digestive system. After that, we will, dear students, after the digestive system, we shall read about the circulatory system. Circulatory matlab circulation, that helps our body to pass the blood from heart to other parts. Heart and blood vessels. Heart, blood and blood vessels are the part of our circulatory system. You know very well heart. Heart is found in our body in under the rib cage. You know very well rib cage, that is a part of the skeletal system. So heart, blood and blood vessels are the part of our circulatory system. It helps the blood to move our whole part of the body. It helps the body to move, it helps the blood to move all over part of the body. That is always help to stay alive. Because without heart beating, heart beats, you know very well heart beats. A heart beats help the blood to flow in our body. The human heart pumps the blood and it beat almost 72. The normal human heartbeat is 72 per minute. 72 times per minute. So dear student, circulatory system is very necessary part that help the body to stay alive. After that, dear student, we shall read about the respiratory system. What do you mean by respiration? Respiration means to take in and out the air. The air that we take in, that is called inhale. The breath, that means we take in the air in our lungs, that is called inhale. And when we breathe out, that means when we throw the air through our lungs, that is called exhale. These are the two parts. First, inhale, that means breathe in. Exhale, that means breathe out. These are the two things. The respiratory system help us to breathe in and breathe out. We breathe oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Our nose, windpipe and lungs are the part of our respiratory system. These three things are the parts of our respiratory system. Respiration means to take breath in and out. We know very well, dear friends, we cannot live without air. Why? Because air, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Lungs absorb the oxygen and mix with blood and it purifies the blood, and after that blood goes to heart and pump our whole body. And the extra, that means the wastage, the carbon dioxide that comes out from our lungs comes from the blood and it pass out through our lungs. Dear students, these four parts we have read about the skeletal system, digestive system, muscular system and respiratory system. Dear students, tomorrow, that means another next class, we shall read about the sense organ, excretory system, nervous system and reproductive system. Now, first we have to introduce about these systems. At first, the sense organ. You know very well sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in our body. Sense organs means the organ that help to sense our surroundings. That means वह अंग जो हमारे चारों ओर की होने वाली घटनाओं से हमें परिचित कराता हो, that is called sense organ. So in human body there are 5 sense organs. मानव के शरीर में 5 सेंस ऑर्गन का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है that means हम जान रहे थे the हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ सेंस ऑर्गन्स ज्ञानेंद्रिय. तो हमारे शरीर में there are 5 sense organ in our body. These are now, dear students, today we are going to conclude our class. Some questions I will ask and you have to give the answer with your, you have to put on your notebooks. And at first you have to write the 5 sense organs at first, after the digestive system process that and skeletal system, and you have to make the nice figure of a digestive system and you have to send it on WhatsApp. Thank you.